What's up guys, this is Vi and today I'm going to show you how to create this amazing custom pattern text in Photoshop with possibly minimum effort. So if that sounds interesting, let's hop into it. Cool. So first of all, I'm going to go to File and New, and I'm gonna set 1920 by 1080 and resolution to 300. Cool. I'm gonna hit an OK. Okay, I'm gonna grab my gradient tool and I'm gonna select some nice gradient color. I'm gonna choose a yellowish tone for start color. That looks good. And I'm gonna choose a greenish tone for the end color. Let's see. Okay, that looks good. Cool. So now I'm gonna type in my text, and I'm gonna type in with Oswald and heavy font. So I'm gonna type in say Pixel. Good. And I'm gonna select them by pressing Ctrl+A, and I'm gonna just increase the size. So I'm gonna choose like 150. Cool. Okay, I'm gonna just place it somewhere around there. That looks good. Okay, now I'm gonna just select this text layer and press Ctrl+J to duplicate it, and right click and choose this option, rasterize type. And now I'm gonna just press Ctrl+J one more time, duplicate it. Okay, so now I'm gonna just disable all of these layers, and I'm gonna grab my rectangular marquee tool. Okay, so I'm gonna select the background layer, and I'm gonna create another layer on top of the background layer, and I'm gonna rename this to shape pattern. Cool. And I'm gonna select say black color. You can choose any color you want. Okay, I'm gonna just create a shape like so, and with this layer selected, I'm gonna press Alt plus backspace to fill in with this color that I select, and now I'm gonna press Ctrl+D to deselect it. Okay, I'm gonna choose this tool, and I'm gonna just rotate it like so. Cool. Now I'm gonna just select this layer, and I'm gonna press Ctrl+J to duplicate it, and I'm gonna move it like so. Cool. I'm gonna duplicate it one more time, press Ctrl+J, and I'm gonna move this thing like so. Cool. You don't need to be perfect, but make sure that the spacing is equal. Okay, I'm gonna just press Shift and click the last layer of the shape and the first layer. I'm gonna press Ctrl+G to group them up, and now I'm gonna just press Ctrl+J, duplicate this group, and I'm gonna just bring it down right there. Cool. I'm gonna press Ctrl+J one more time, and I'm gonna move it down just like so. Cool. And now I'm gonna select this topmost layer and press the Shift key and select the bottommost layer of this shape, and I'm gonna press Ctrl+E. Okay, this merges them, and now I'm gonna place it on top and just enable this layer. Cool. Now I'm gonna just click on this layer, the pattern layer, and I'm gonna make it big so that it covers the text completely. Zoom out. Okay, cool. And now I'm gonna just right click and create clipping mask. Cool. So you see, we got this nice pattern text effect. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just click on this layer, the text layer, and go to effects and drop shadow. Cool. I'm gonna just increase the distance and increase the spread a bit, increase the size a little. Okay, and now I'm gonna go to the contour and click in here, and I will just select a nice preset. Let's see. Okay, this looks good. I'm gonna select this preset right there. Okay, I'm gonna hit in OK. Cool. Now I'm gonna just enable this layer of the text, and I'm gonna just go to effects and drop shadow. Okay, and I'm gonna increase the size a touch. Sorry, I'm gonna increase distance a touch and the size. That looks great. Cool. Okay, so this is looking pretty cool, but if you wanna just take it to another level, you just need to select this layer and go to effects and gradient overlay. Cool. Okay, I'm gonna just click in here, and I wanna select a color like blue, and I'm gonna select the end color to say pink. That looks great. I'm gonna hit in OK. Scale it up. Let's scale it down. That looks pretty dope. Cool. I'm gonna hit in OK. So this is looking pretty cool, right? If you want, you can just change the background. Click the gradient tool right there and select a nice gradient. I'm gonna choose, let's see, a greenish tone for the start color. Let's see. Okay, that looks way better. Cool. So this was it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification icon, cause I'm gonna bring some more graphics editing videos in the future. And if you don't want to miss them, just subscribe to me and hit the bell notification. So if you enjoyed this tutorial or learned something new today, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any query or feedback to give, the comment section is all yours. So this was it, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, peace.